save Cublington from disappearing under vast runways of concrete. If we thought we'd been badly hit by the weather at the start of 1971, conditions were far worse elsewhere, particularly in France. Traffic in the Rhone Valley was brought to a standstill when blizzards blanketed the region under 3 feet of snow. The worst storm in the south for 25 years, it caught thousands of holiday motorists completely by surprise. Farms and villages were cut off, 12 people died, and many others suffered from extreme exposure. This was the first break in the storm for 3 days. Officials had opened schools and other public buildings to house the trapped drivers. It took troops and bulldozers to complete the dodgy task of getting the traffic moving again. But snow's just the thing for this form of transport. The Le Mans style start